Do you got to replace the roof or do you got to repair your commercial roof? We get this question every day from commercial building owners and property managers, and it's a real question. So today we're breaking it down to help give you some guidance so you know whether or not you reasonably should be looking at a repair or if it's time to consider a replacement for your commercial roof here in Metro Detroit. So the number one activity or action you can take, whether it's an owner, facility manager, or property manager, is to get a qualified and detailed roofing system inspection performed by a qualified individual. That inspection report should be detailed, written out, including photos of all deficiencies, and most importantly, it should contain a moisture inspection. One of the key deciding factors to understand whether you should make a investment in a replacement or a repair is there moisture trapped within your roofing system? There's two ways to do this. The most common are going to be through a series of core samples performed on your roofing system and then repaired by that roofing company doing your inspection. The other is an infrared or thermal scan of your roofing system that will tell us, are there areas of trapped moisture or water within your roofing system? Now, once you get beyond that, there are 5 really important factors to consider that will help you make an educated and informed decision between replacement, repair, or that middle ground, restoration, that includes coatings and sometimes recovers. The first one, age. If your roof is 10 years old or less, we would be very tough pressed to ever tell somebody you really need to be considering a new roof or a complete replacement. It does happen, generally from a bad install of the original system. But as a general rule, 10 years or less, replacement really should be off the table. Number 2, composition or layers of roofing up there. This ties into the previous, but how many layers of roofing are already installed up on your commercial building? If you have 1 or 2, that age rule comes into play pretty straightforward. But we do see commercial buildings that have 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of commercial roofing up on there. That's going to greatly limit the repairability of that roofing system. Previous repairs, how much have you been spending on repairs? If your roof is continually springing leaks and you're spending money on repairs, at some point you have to do the cost-benefit analysis to realize, oh my gosh, I am actually increasing beyond what it would cost for a replacement in my total life cycle cost or cost of ownership of my current roofing system. Number 4, materials used. Not all commercial roofing systems are created equal when it comes to their repairability. The easiest one to repair on a single ply membrane is going to be EPDM or rubber, which is why it's so common in the Metro Detroit market. And number 5, it all comes down to this anyways, budget. Can you reasonably afford to make the investment in a new roofing system? If you can't, then a qualified roofing inspector and commercial roofing company should be able to craft a plan to buy you 1, 2, 3 years so you can afford to make the investment in a replacement and short term do the repairs necessary and maintenance to keep your building reasonably dry and in an operational capacity. So there you have it. That's your guide to understand, hey, do I have to repair or replace my commercial roof? If you like this content, always remember, hit that like and subscribe button. If you need our help, we would love to. Our number here is 586-566-0308. You can always go on our website at www.kanga-roof.com. We even have our free commercial roofing repair or replacement estimator on there, so you can use that to give yourself some guidance. Most of all, and as always, I hope you found this information beneficial, and I hope you have a Kangarific day.